Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and I've done it as my Insider machine, which is on release preview, was giving me the update for 24H2. I applied it, and now I am, of course, running 24H2 on my gaming laptop. It's a big update because it takes a lot more time than just a simple Patch Tuesday update. And here I am at 24H2 at 26100 and .712. So this is 24H2. It has I've not gone through it a lot yet. Copilot is back here rather than at the end, which is interesting. Kind of pushed back to the taskbar with the other icons. So I guess maybe to give place to the Peak desktop instead and not have it like that. I don't know why they've moved it right and left and right and left again. Apart from that, I'm going to go through it and check out the different new features and the different changes I can find within the operating system. So of course there's the new ads here, as you see here. Oh, you want to have managed. So here I have the updates. But if you don't have the subscriptions, these cards are still there. It's going to say, oh, by the way, you could have Microsoft 365, or by the way, you can have PC Game Pass. So these are going to be ads for some of you. Mine is a subscription. It's there to tell me my subscription's active, but for some of you, it's going to be ads. There's a few things like that are changed. I've not had any issues or any problems as of now. I see that some of you have tried to install it, that you are in release preview, and gave me some reports back. A couple of you have had some issues, saying that it stops at a certain percentage, rolls back, and doesn't work. So, this is Insider Preview. It's release preview. It's the reason why it's there. It's to test it, to fix the problems that are appearing for some of you, maybe at the install. I had one comment this morning that there was one Intel driver that updated on his machine, and before that update, it failed to go to 24H2. After that Intel update, it went through 24H2, showing that maybe specific drivers could be needed for some machines to move on to 24H2. Now, we'll be looking at all of it. Of course, it doesn't look that different when you look at it, but we'll see what else is possible here in 24H2, going through the different features and see what's really there. One thing for sure is what we're seeing, and what I'm seeing is that we're going to have some new features on, for most of us on Intel or AMD chips on x64, but the big features and the big AI changes really are being pushed to the Qualcomm X Elite ARM PCs. That's where it's all going to happen with MPU. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.